Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ever installed an app that felt exactly like a website? You're not alone. This viral sentiment hit Hacker News with the article, "Your app could have been a web page, so I fixed it for you." Today, we're diving deep into this debate. Why are so many apps built this way? And why is the open web actually far more powerful than we often realize? Get ready to rethink your daily software. The article that sparked this massive debate came from a developer frustrated by popular desktop applications that are essentially web browsers running a website within an Electron wrapper. These apps bundle a full Chromium instance. The author's ingenious fix was simple: provide scripts to run these apps directly in your existing browser, saving significant system resources. This act exposed a fundamental tension in modern software development between developer convenience and true user efficiency. So, why package a website as a multi-hundred megabyte native installation? It's common for apps like Slack, Discord, or Visual Studio Code, all Electron-based. Each downloads a redundant web browser engine, leading to slower startup, higher RAM usage, increased storage, and fragmented updates. While convenient for developers to write once, deploy everywhere with familiar web tech, it often costs user experience and system performance, creating unnecessary bloat that can drag down your machine. The kicker is, the web has evolved dramatically. Modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari are incredibly powerful application platforms. They offer access to advanced APIs for camera, microphone, geolocation, robust local storage, real-time push notifications, and even sophisticated file system access. The message is clear: if an application looks, feels, and behaves like a web app, it not only could be, but perhaps should just be a web app. The open web offers a universal, powerful, and remarkably efficient runtime environment ready for prime time. This brings us to progressive web apps, or PWAs. This isn't just about pretty websites. It's about fundamentally transforming them to act like native apps. PWAs are *installable* to your home screen or desktop, launching in their own window without browser UI. Thanks to service workers, they offer robust *offline capabilities, working even without an internet connection. They leverage *push notifications for engagement, are inherently *responsive to any screen size, and remain *discoverable through search engines. PWAs truly combine the web's universal reach with a rich, native-like user experience, without the typical bloat and resource drain. Developers do have valid reasons for native or Electron apps, such as very low-level system APIs or specific hardware integrations for high-end gaming. However, for most applications, especially data-driven or content-focused ones, web development offers compelling advantages. The "write once, run anywhere" promise is largely fulfilled, enabling true cross-platform deployment from a single codebase. This accelerates iteration cycles and deployments, leveraging a massive ecosystem of libraries and tools. For many projects, the web's capabilities are more than sufficient, making the trade-offs of native development increasingly harder to justify, especially concerning resource usage. From a user's perspective, web apps and PWAs often win. They have a minimal installation footprint, usually just kilobytes, with content cached on demand, saving precious storage. Modern browser engines are highly optimized, leveraging hardware acceleration. A well-built web app can be incredibly fast and responsive, often outperforming Electron-wrapped versions that carry an entire browser engine. This also translates to better battery life. Users get instant access, no App Store downloads or update prompts, just a URL. Plus, browser sandboxing provides a robust, continuously updated security model, isolating web apps from your core OS. Beyond performance, the web platform excels in accessibility and inclusivity. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are built with accessibility in mind, making screen reader compatibility, keyboard navigation, and high contrast modes easier to implement and widely supported. The web promotes device independence, functioning seamlessly on a vast array of devices, old and new, reducing digital divides. There are no gatekeepers. Anyone can publish a website, fostering innovation and diverse content that might never pass restrictive App Store reviews. This democratic nature lowers the entry barrier for both developers and users, promoting true inclusivity. The elephant in the room is business models. App stores, like Apple's and Google's, take a significant cut, often up to 30%, of all revenue. This incentivizes companies to build native apps, even if a web app suffices, just to gain visibility in curated marketplaces. The open web, however, offers direct distribution. You host your site, users access it, no platform fees, no gatekeepers dictating content or monetization, and full control over your user base. It's a power struggle between closed ecosystems and the open internet, and the Hacker News article highlighted this powerful alternative. Security and privacy are vital. The web has advanced significantly here. Ubiquitous HTTPS encryption secures data in transit. Browser sandboxing rigorously isolates web pages from your OS, preventing malicious access to local files without explicit permission. Modern web permissions APIs require explicit user consent for camera, mic, or location. Robust ad blockers and privacy extensions further empower users. While native apps can be secure, their broader system access can present higher risks if compromised. Web apps operate within a tightly controlled, browser-enforced security perimeter, offering a powerful layer of protection. What does this mean for the future? The line between native app and website